Hello guys, welcome to week 13. It's our 16-week NEET goal plan and we have already completed 12 successful weeks. We just left with 4 more weeks and this is our week 13. In this week we have about 7 chapters to do, 3 in physics, 2 in chem and 2 in bio. For biology we're doing photosynthesis, which gives me 1 to 2 MCQ questions. Next we're doing plant growth. This will give me 1 question. So photosynthesis and plant growth allotted for this week. Chemistry, I have chemical kinetics, which gives me 2 questions, 2 MCQ questions, 8 marks. Electrochemistry gives me 2 questions, again 8 marks from both of these topics, 8 marks each. In physics I have gravitation. Gravitation will give me 1 MCQ, and I have motion in a straight line and motion in a plane. Both together will give me 1 MCQ. So 1 MCQ from each of these concepts, gravitation and motion in straight line and planes together. So let's see how our daily schedule would look like. So here, photosynthesis I have allotted 3 days. I know it's a lengthy topic, but 3 days should be sufficient to complete this. Try and complete this in 3 days time. Plant growth, again I am allotting 3 days because you will be doing a lot of reading, underlining the important stuff and 50 MCQs of each. So that requires a minimum of 3 days. So 150 question of each of these topics, photosynthesis and plant growth. If you see chemistry, I have allotted that 3 days as well. Chemical kinetics 3 days. Electrochemistry again 3 days. But if you do not complete it, you can utilize the 7th day. I would still stress saying that stretch yourself, exert yourself on all of these 6 days to complete the allotted topics. So the 7th day could be reserved only and only for revision. So physics, gravitation 3 days. There's a lot of sums and numericals and derivation here, so 3 days should be sufficient. Motion in straight line and plane 2 days each. So motion in straight line here and motion in a plane here. This is in a plane. So motion in straight line 2 days and motion in plane 2 days. So physics you will require all 7 days for this week. And if you check the description, you will understand what concepts to do on each of these days. So whatever concept you're going to be revising, you will be doing these many MCQs from that concepts. 50 for bio, 45 for chem and 15 for physics. If you're able to complete everything within 6 days time, the 7th day is allotted exclusively for revision. If not, try to revise at least some concepts from our week 12th goal plan and also revise what you had done in week 13 itself. Okay, so revision is important. You need to revise again and again continuously to make sure that you're remembering the past concepts. We tend to forget, so to avoid that, make sure revision is included in your schedule. Do not think that you will revise during your exams or before the exams. Revision is important on weekly basis. So that's it. That's our week 13 goal plan. Good luck and we will meet in week 14.